Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to take a moment and talk about our maintenance plans that we offer. Now, cars are like a significant other. Eventually they're going to cost you some money. But what's nice is with our prepaid plans, you can actually save a little bit of money by paying for the maintenance in advance, or building it into your monthly payment if you're looking at financing or leasing a new vehicle. So what that'll include are your regularly scheduled maintenances, your oil changes, your tire rotations, and a great thing about these is that you can utilize them at any Russ Darrow location. Each one of our locations in Madison, Milwaukee, even Appleton are certified to work on your vehicle. And this will also help protect you from any costly repairs down the road, because each regular service visit that you have completed with us, we're going to do a multi-point inspection on your vehicle to make sure that there's no small issues that could develop into big ones. So if you have any questions about these prepaid maintenance plans that we offer, just shoot us a call or stop by today.